This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a silicone non-slip tray. You know, this is one of those trays where, you know, you can put things in. It's got a little bit of magnetic stuff to it and it kind of holds on. Let's just look over this tray and see what all you get. This is from the company WORKPRO, by the way. I'll check that out. I definitely like the looks of that. Two of these things. This has the magnets in the bottom. This is like one of these like trays where you can be working on a project. You can throw nuts, bolts, screws. You can see there's some hex alignment there. Let's go ahead and take this out. Look at this big one. So we don't need the box anymore. Okay, now that I have it all out here, let me just go over what this tray actually is. So it's a 5-piece tray, as you can see right here. So this one right here would be like for screws and nuts and bolts. And what these little areas right here would go for like driver tips, driver bits will go down in there. This is all non-slip. It's easy to clean. It's heat resistant and it's pretty much indestructible. It looks really nice. This looks really nice and organized. And what you would do, these bigger ones right here would be for like screwdrivers, you know. Here's some wrenches. Check out how it just, and it doesn't slide around in here. Now this is supposed to be for sockets here. I have a few sockets, but I think the socket that this needs are these larger sockets, not these. These are 1/4 inch. I think they, or these are 3/8. I think they need a 1/4 inch socket here, but I could easily put these down in there. I got a little socket set right here. See how these, so if I'm working on a project and I want to just kind of organize my tools, I can organize all my tools up like this, and it works really great for that. What I really like these things for, let's say I could throw a socket in there that I want to keep off, or say screws. So here, I got some screws here. Check this out. You know, you're taking some screws out. Check that out, everybody. Look how great that thing holds these. Look at this. Is that not awesome? Look, upside down. So just like a Dairy Queen Blizzard. Check that out. Look at that. That holds great. So those things, I don't know, will it hold us? Wow, that hold. Whoa, look at that. That's a lot of power on those magnets. I like these things right here. When I'm working on projects, you'll take a screw out, and then as I'm taking screws out, I just toss them. I just toss them like this. And they seem to hold in place right here. What's this thing right here? This is a little thank you card. You don't need that. So this is something I recommend for any type of like backyard mechanic. You can lay these out on an engine or just a workshop like I'm building right here, a little tiny workshop where I can work on projects all the time and just stay a little more organized. Definitely not losing your screws. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WORKPRO, you know, 5-in-1 silicone and magnet trays. See y'all in the next video.